Welcome to Forklift Training. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. This course has been enhanced with the J.J. Keller IQ Visual Learning System. How the system works is easy. As you progress through this course, various IQ tags will appear, like the one on this screen. These tags represent the key learning concepts of the program. You can click on the buttons to reveal more information about what that particular tag means. This will help you to build mental connections between the tags and the key concepts. After you've completed this course, you'll likely notice some of these tags throughout your workplace. These visual cues will help you recall what you were trained on in this course and connect it to your particular work environment. Here are the IQ tags you'll see in this course. Click on the buttons for an overview of what they each mean. To download a PDF of this information, click on Resources above. A forklift is a mechanical device classified as a type of powered industrial truck. Like others in this class, such as motorized pallet jacks, a forklift is used to move or lift loads. Although this seems like a simple task, forklifts can cause serious injury or death if they are misused, improperly maintained, or if the operator isn't properly trained on how to use the equipment safely.